This is a video tutorial to help Stays participate in the 2023 Choice Awards group voting in the Fan and Star app. StrayKids will be attending this year's event and we have already succeeded in winning them the 4-star award, and we will work together to ensure we send them home with more than one award this year. The Choice Awards voting is not as time-consuming as the 4-star award voting was, but it will require all Stays to participate, considering we are limited to our account ranks and cannot purchase additional votes for this award. If you are new to the Fan and Star app, please check out our dedicated website page at StrayKidsComebackGuide.com for more information on how to create accounts. Now on to collecting and voting. The Choice Awards final voting round has begun and will end on October 2nd, at noon KST. There are a total of 4 methods in which you can collect Choice Award voting tickets. The first is your daily allotted tickets based on your rank. The first time you log into the Fan and Star app each day and open the Choice Awards group vote, you will receive a notification that your daily tickets have arrived. You can immediately vote using those daily tickets or wait till you complete the other tasks available to earn additional tickets and drop them all at once. Just remember that voting tickets for the Choice Awards expire daily at midnight KST, so you need to use them every day. You cannot save them to vote at the last minute, which is why it's important Stays participate daily. Daily collection method number 2. Complete daily tasks to earn a spin on the roulette wheel. To find the roulette wheel, click your menu in the top left, then click the TMA icon. Once on the TMA page, look for Event in the header menu. Here you can find the roulette wheels for Choice Awards voting tickets. A few things to know: you cannot spin the wheels till after 3 a.m. Korea Standard Time, even though reset is at midnight, and each spin enrolls you into a lottery for a chance to win a ticket to attend the TMA Awards ceremony. Lastly, your wheel spins expire daily just like the voting tickets, so make sure you use them daily before reset. How to earn roulette wheel spins. Complete your daily tasks and instead of being awarded stars as your bonus, you earn a spin on the roulette wheel. Simply complete your daily attendance, read 30 articles, and complete 10 post recommendations to earn a free spin. Again, if you are new to the app, you can visit our website for instructions on how to complete the simple daily tasks that take no more than 20 to 30 minutes a day. After you complete your tasks, go back into your task list and you will be asked if you would like to participate in the TMA Voting Rights event. If you click yes, it will take you directly to the wheel. The amount of tickets available to win on the roulette wheel is based on your G-point ranking. We will go over the other roulette wheel and how to access it at the end when we explain the paid membership to Fan and Star. But first, there is one additional way to earn voting tickets for free. The next method is completing time events. Each time event awards 1 additional voting ticket and each account can participate in 2 time events a day, earning a total of 2 additional voting tickets a day. To participate in a time event, be sure the app is in the language associated with the event. Then click here to watch an ad to complete the event. Again, if you are new to the app, we have a detailed guide on the site explaining how to change the app language. After watching the ad, you will receive your additional voting ticket. Complete 1 event from the events in Group 1 and 1 event from the events in Group 2 every day. The last way you can earn additional voting tickets each day is by paying to become a monthly member of Fan and Star's Fanbership program. Once you have activated and paid for the monthly membership, you are entitled to 1 free spin on a special Fanbership roulette wheel a day for additional voting tickets. If you purchase the 3-month membership, you will get 2 spins on the special wheel a day. The amount of tickets you can win from this wheel will be the same as the amount on the normal roulette wheel. You also get a 3rd additional time event a day. The event rewards 1 more voting ticket. The event is available for members daily between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. Korea Standard Time. Lastly, how to drop your voting ticket. Click on the Group Choice Award. Find StrayKids. Click Vote. Enter your amount of voting tickets and click Vote. Remember, voting tickets expire daily, so be sure to drop all tickets every day.